my god, I cannot believe this. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Speak about busy. Man, you guys, your girl has been busy, so busy all morning. I've been trying to, no, who's that, babe? I have been trying to clean. I have been looking after myself, looking after Tyler, getting the vlog ready so that I'm always on my A game, I'm always on time. But I've been just pretty much being busy this morning. Happy Monday. Make sure you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys will make this week positive, make it productive, make it meaningful. Be nice to somebody. Just do something positive. If there is just some negative persons around you, just block them all. Just pretend that they don't even exist. Hear my voice in your head each time you want to lash out at somebody, each time you want to say something negative. Just pull back and tell yourself that it's not worth it and you're doing it for you. Why does my wig look not so scented, girl? Wig life. Wig problem, you guys. I've been just flashing this here, honey. So yeah, make sure you guys make this week awesome. It doesn't really matter what the circumstances is, make it a good one. My baby boy, my sweet boy, is off to take a nap. He's been a good sport as usual. So when he wake up, you guys will see baby's off to work as usual. So yeah, I'm just here trying to get some stuff done and get on with my day. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. And the Jamaican expression is going to be eat a food. Eat a food. If you hear a Jamaican say, me I go eat a food, or me I eat a food off of that something there, me I eat a food off of that, they're simply saying that they want to make enough money, or they're making enough money to live up to a certain lifestyle, if you understand what I mean. So if you hear somebody say, a Jamaican say they might go eat a food, it doesn't simply mean literally that they're eating food, but it simply means that they're about to make some money. That's all that it simply means. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Eat a food. So make sure you guys eat a food today and make some money. So yeah, when babe gets home, he'll give you the spin on the Jamaican expression for today. No baby, no. All right, give mama some. Just a little. You guys, my boo-boo is up. And something exciting about to happen, because well, I'll forever be excited about everything. One of our subscribers, she is just so amazing. She contacted us, she actually contacted me while was on one of our vlogs back. She saw somebody in one of my vlogs when I was in Jamaica on vacation. That crazy how this world is small and you just don't know who is who. That's why you see, you're to have respect for everybody and you're to be humble, because the person that was in my vlog was her niece, and her niece is my best friend from high school. So she sent me a message and said, oh my god, I saw your my niece in your video. I didn't know you know her and all that good stuff. So we instantly connected, and her niece, which is my best friend from high school, didn't even know that she watches the vlogs. So we ended up connected, and we would talk here and there. We connect on Instagram and on Facebook, and it's crazy how she's actually in Nice right now. She's doing this crazy vacation tour, which I keep up with her pictures, and she's just having such a good time. So she's in Nice and she wants to meet us, and I can't wait to meet her. So we should be meeting her this afternoon, which I'm so excited to see her. I just talked to her on the phone and we were just giggling and laughing away, and so excited to talk to each other. So hopefully I can get to see her later. That's what's up right now. Tyler is eating his pretzels. He's a huge pretzel fan, and of course he's sharing with mama when mama doesn't feel for pretzels. Thank you, sweet boy. I don't want any more. You. Mama? Yes, baby. So, babe and I should be meeting her later, and Tyler, she's so excited to see Tyler. No, baby, mama doesn't want any more. All right, just a little. No more. Thank you, sweet boy. Good job feeding mama. You want some water? Say please. Bye. Good job. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Love you. Since I've been on a roll and having a busy day, I just decided I might as well just get in the kitchen, just cook and get it over with, and then just rest later, because I might have to go on the road. So I'm actually making dinner. It's pretty early, but who cares? I'm making dinner, and I couldn't decide what to cook. I start cutting up this curry chicken, which needs some water on it right now. So I'm just gonna add some water to that real quick. Oh yes, honey. I haven't had curry chicken in a while, so I couldn't decide. So I have some curry chicken there going, and I have some salmon, which I'm going to put in the oven real quick. So I think we're going to have the salmon for dinner, and at least this can be for lunch tomorrow, and whatever else the case may be, or if babe decide that that's what he wants. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw these into the oven real quick. I'm also making sweet potato for Tyler, and in this pot over here I have some sweet corn and veggies cooking. So my kitchen is bubbling today, you guys. The bubble and honey. Hey guys, so I finished cooking and I just rushed out the house. Well, basically I'm going to meet a special person. I'm actually on my way to my first bus. Just got off and taking my second bus. Baby's gonna meet us there. So I'm pretty close and I'm so excited to see her. So yeah, we're coming, John. Tyler's here. Hey, say hello. You want the phone? Phone. Wait. There you go. Alright, you guys, we're basically on our way. Let's go meet her subby. She's more like family. So we'll see you guys as soon as we get to her. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I think I just drove past her to go to the bus stop. So I'm actually walking back to go back to meet them. I swear I just drove past her and her husband. So I'm just going back to see her right now and to get them so we can go where we're going. Hopefully I can take them to this awesome spot where babe and I enjoy going. So yeah, let's go meet them. I'm so excited. Oh my god. There she is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so tiny. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Hi, I'm a hugger. How are you?
Maurizio.
I'm good. Melissa.
Nice to meet you.
I'm tiny, right?
Look at you.
I'm short.
Look, she has the equipment and everything.
Oh my god! I'm so excited to see you! Oh, Melissa!
much for meeting us.
I'm a meeting. Tyler! Tyler! Look, see auntie! See auntie! Hey!
You are just the cutest.
Give auntie kisses! Give auntie kisses! Give her a high five!
And he's not crying. You know me, right?
See Auntie J? You see Auntie J? Look at him giving you that side eye.
Forward to meeting you. Yeah, look at that. It reminds me of Imani, my daughter. She behaves like that, like when she meets someone for the first time. Oh, we get that.
Yes,
approval, right?
you're not getting any crying today. Oh my God, how are you guys?
Incredibly happy and just
But funny enough, Saturday it was sunny but a lot of wind, so it didn't feel this humid.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised today feel like
this. It's a good thing. Oh, look at you outside. Listen, this girl motivates me all the time
to work out, right?
I mean,
I'm addicted.
Like, big on working out.
I can't help it.
But there are days, Melissa, I must tell you, when I just feel
I have those days. Trust me, I have those days.
And I'm like, you know what? If she can do it, I'm gonna get it too. And I go downstairs and I get on
Yes,
the
girl. Yes. You find a new girl, huh? Hey.
My daughter would just eat him up, right? She would just eat him for dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It's like when he saw Shanika, he was high-fiving her and blowing her kisses and...
You want to touch?
Specific fish specialty, yeah.
Touch it, baby, touch it, pretty.
No, it's the octopus that they do, they can't.
Right, that's great.
You know, close to paddles.
Those are his eyes, right?
Tell us the eyes.
Oh, like,
Can you touch his
Eyes.
his cheese.
He's touching his mouth. You don't see what's going on. Look, look, look. He's touching his mouth.
That's why you like, you know, always look for.
Alright, you guys, so this is where we took them to this awesome lookout spot. We've been here before, but I think it's a beautiful lookout spot. So we took them here for a good afternoon. So we made it to the top with our beauties, and they are enjoying.
Oh, well, here's the airport taking us. Airport taking us.
Here's the waterfall.
No drink, salad juice. You see the waterfall? Look at Tyler, look at Tyler. He's laughing. So hopefully I didn't bring you guys to a bad spot. So that's Joe, and that's her husband. Oh yes, honey. It all depends on exactly where you go though. Look at Tyler poking his head through the hole. Yes, baby, you wanna come up here and see? You wanna see? Come. Ah, see. Look at that. Tyler, careful. Tyler.
Yeah.
Careful, baby. There's the waterfall right here.
Very nice. I went in there today and there was a market, a Monday market. This is the flower market. Yeah, the seafood.
And you didn't been to the flower market either, right, G?
No, I haven't.
It's just right down here. You guys, look at this waterfall. And it comes all the way down here. Yes, baby? Yeah? What happened? The fall wasn't here. Just the fall. Maybe. Careful. I wouldn't want to see you fall right now. I wouldn't want to see you fall right now.
1, 2, 3.
Tyler working out, Auntie J. You still didn't let Tyler work you out?
One more time. Ooh, maybe. Oh, that.
You guys, we had such an amazing afternoon with Joanne and her husband, but we're gonna leave them now, else we can't reach home. It was so nice to meet you. Likewise. Oh, take it up. Take it up. Good job. Come. Look at this boy. He's so carefree. Listen, Tyler workout Auntie J, non-stopping. Stop crying now.
I'm gonna come back.
Tyler doesn't want Auntie to go. He's crying.
Mommy next time. Yeah, you're gonna love me, Mommy.
Give her a kiss.
Okay, yes. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tell Uncle bye-bye. Tell Uncle bye-bye. Give Uncle high-five. Alright guys, I don't know when I'm gonna see you guys again.
You will. Probably soonest then.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, so we'll talk. And I'll send you guys these pictures. I'll tag you them. Hey guys, so I'm just coming on to tell you guys that I am really sorry, but there will be no babe steak on the Jamaican expression for today, nor will you guys have any French expression for today, because we got back home and we were so caught up having dinner and spending a little time together that he heads off to bed, leave me on the computer trying to get some stuff done. Tyler is also off to bed, but nonetheless we have an amazing afternoon spending time with Joanne and her wonderful husband. We love you guys, and it was really good to spend time with you guys, and happy that we could show you guys a little of Nice. Yeah, so hopefully you guys really enjoy this vlog. I'm about to head off to bed and join the boys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with us, join the fam bam, join our journey. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.